Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues with your Surface Pro 5, such as the battery dying too quickly, you're not alone. Many users find that their device struggles to last through a meeting or an entire workday. This can be due to a failing battery, which may not hold charge properly over time. If left unattended, this issue can lead to further complications, including potential damage to the device itself. To carry out this repair, you'll need a few tools. Firstly, a heat gun or hairdryer to soften the adhesive. You'll also require a plastic spudger, a Torx screwdriver, and a replacement battery specifically designed for the Surface Pro 5. Now, let's begin the repair process. Start by powering off your Surface Pro 5 completely. Once it's shut down, use your heat gun or hairdryer to gently warm the edges of the device. This will help loosen the adhesive. After warming, take your plastic spudger and carefully insert it into the gap between the screen and the case. Work your way around the device, gently prying the screen away from the body. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the screen or internal components. Once the screen is removed, you'll notice the battery located on the right side. To access it, you may need to disconnect a few cables that are attached. Take your Torx screwdriver and remove the screws securing the battery in place. Remember to keep these screws safe, as you'll need them for the new battery. After removing the screws, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Be mindful of the connectors and cables nearby to avoid any accidental damage. Take your new battery and position it where the old one was. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, ensuring they are secure. Once everything is in place, replace the screws to hold the battery securely. Now, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully align the screen back onto the body and press down firmly to ensure the adhesive seals properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent battery issues in the future, try to avoid extreme temperatures and ensure your device is updated regularly to benefit from the latest battery management features. Additionally, consider calibrating your battery every few months to maintain its health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.